All right, Busch Gardens Tampa Day. Is everybody excited?
Yeah.
Leander, you excited? The motivation and the enthusiasm is just palpable. Or palpitable? I don't know. I don't know how I say the word. I'm not the best. So yeah, we're here at Busch Gardens Tampa, and we're gonna rope drop Phoenix Rising because that's what everybody does for family coasters nowadays. Other than that, I'm just pretty excited to ride everything else again. Iron Gwazi, Cheetah Hunt. I'm actually a pretty big fan of Cheetah Hunt, and just have a good day. The park's only open until 5, so we'll probably be here all day, and we'll see if that infamous Florida rain rolls through like it seems to be doing every single day. You always gotta check out the line here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Looking pretty good.
They look like they want to come out. Stay in there, guys. Cooler. Hot out here.
All right, so I went over here to rope drop Phoenix Rising, but they said it's closed, and it very well might be closed for the whole day. So I guess that's a little bit of a bust, but that's just how it goes sometimes. So maybe it'll open later, but I don't know. Okay, so far almost every roller coaster has been closed. Scorpion was closed, Phoenix Rising was closed, but it looks like Tigris is open. And holy cow, the queue for Tigris, like obviously the park is dead right now, but I couldn't imagine having to wait this whole queue. But the area looks really nice. I only rode this once, I think it was back in 2021, and I haven't been on it since. So kind of nice to go check it out.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
Check out that view. All right, so I got a front row ride on Tigris. Still a great Skyrocket 2 model. I mean, it is what it is. Good ride though. And then I rode Cheetah. That thing is still butter smooth. Doesn't matter where you sit. One of the best B&M dive coasters out there, and I'm gonna stick by that. It just continues to be an excellent ride. And then I got wet on the splashdown. I got completely soaked, but gotta do it for the video, right? Well, Six Flags and Cedar Fair may have gotten rid of Chick-fil-A at their parks, but Busch Gardens Tampa still has Chick-fil-A, so we're gonna go check it out. So Chick-fil-A was pretty good, and now I'm gonna roll the dice and go check out Kumba. I don't usually ride it every year, sometimes I do. I thought might as well update the POV, and yeah, wish me luck. All right, so like a complete idiot, I accidentally switched my GoPro to photo mode as soon as I got onto Kumba, so yeah, I didn't get the POV of it all. I kind of felt something was off. I was at the top of the lift. I guess I should have checked it, but I didn't because I didn't want to ruin any of the POV, but oh well. So I finally did something that I haven't done in a very long time. I rode a drop tower.
Lá embaixo. É uma vira de frente, cara. Tá maluco? Vamos! Vai!
Oh, that was fun. So I haven't done a drop tower. I have done like a little small one, but I haven't done a big one ever since I got stuck on Gatekeeper back in 2012. Oh yeah, not Gatekeeper. Yeah, sorry, Windseeker, Gatekeeper, all the same thing. Thanks, Kara, for always correcting me. So yes, Windseeker, I got stuck on that back in 2012. But yeah, verdict, Falcon's Fury is fun. I wouldn't say it's super intense. Actually, that drop isn't really that bad. The most scary part about the ride is just going up there and then just tilting back. But once I didn't really get like a huge whoa moment out of the drop, but still a fun ride. That was fun. That was amazing. That was very fun, wasn't it? I feel like Kara always has the worst luck when it comes to the rain. I think they got on Cheetah, but it started raining, and I know she hates riding roller coasters when she's getting pelted in the face by the rain. But I don't think she was riding up front, so it shouldn't be too bad. But Cheetah is good as always, loved it. Braylon said it was amazing when we rode it. I'm glad that the water is still operating because that really makes that ride. So we rode the Sky Ride, which is something that we haven't done, or they have never done, and I haven't done since 2005. I know I'm old. So really cool to finally get back on it. It's just a nice ride. It goes out through the safari. You don't really see any animals on it unless like you go over both. The elephants aren't in their cages right now, so. But yeah, that's really hot and exhausting walking around, but no, it's a great ride. Really glad we did it. And now I think we're head over towards Gwazi. All right, so I just took Leander on Air Grover, and he did not like it. Here we go. Small drop. Woohoo! Woohoo! That was it. That was it, bud. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Welcome back, riders. If you left any items in the red puppies, please remember to grab them.
Was it scary?
I
I don't know, maybe I should, I don't know, maybe I should accept the fact that Leander's not gonna like roller coasters, I don't know. But I don't know, I just don't think he's quite ready yet. He likes some stuff and then other things he just doesn't. So now we're gonna go check out the play area. Look, I'm right here. Hold my hand. Carry you.
Run! Can you run, please? I think so.
Hooray! They're closing it!
Yeah, we need everyone to go downstairs. We're closing nets due to the weather.
Okay, thank you. All right, so a storm blew in, kind of shut down all the rides. I mean, it's typical here in Florida. And if we could just get on Iron Gwazi, it'd be great. It looks like there's like a little lull in the storm right now. The sun's coming back out. Don't know if it's gonna be enough because I do, looking at the radar, it looks like there might be a thunderstorm in the distance. So cross your fingers if we can get it. We got the beef.
Yeah.
My one ride on Iron Gwazi back row. Ride was running super fast. I thought it was fantastic. And I think we're pretty much going to be heading out. There is a storm blowing in, and it looks like it's going to be hitting really soon. And the park's only open until like 5. So it's like 3 o'clock right now. So there's, to me, it's kind of a slim. We might be able to squeeze one more ride in, but we'll probably head now, and that'll be it for today. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up our day here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Very unfortunate that Phoenix Rising is not open today. Kind of the whole reason why we came here, but I mean, it's a family coaster. I feel like this is just not a good day or good year. I'm sorry, not a good day, a good year for B&M roller coasters. So just surprised that it's not operating. It's kind of crazy. And I mean, the ride's only been open for like 2 months and now it's already closed for days or something. I don't really get it, but who knows. But nonetheless, still a great day. I had a lot of fun. We rode the Sky Ride, which was actually kind of like a highlight. Like I said, it's been 19 years. And I did Falcon's Fury, so big overcoming fear type of a ride for me. So that was cool. And tomorrow we're gonna go to SeaWorld Orlando, get to check out Penguins Trek. Brandland is really excited to ride Manta. It'll be our first flying roller coaster. And then Thursday we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom, and I'm super pumped to check out the Tron Light Cycle race. So really looking forward to what's coming up.